AXIAL RBX10 RYFT assembled in crawler spec. In this video, I would like to introduce the outline of RYFT in the first 5 minutes, and then I would like to show you the driving scene. The skid plate and axles connect by links. Brass differential cover. I painted it silver, but the color has already peeled off. Brass 8mm hex adapter. Attached to the end of the hex adapter is a steel nut for the wheel lock. Trailing arm plates are stacked in 2 pieces each to increase strength and weight. Suspension link mounts are brass parts. The gearbox is mounted on the chassis. And ESC, motor, and servo are mounted. ESC is hobby wing, Zerun, AX, R2. Motor is Zerun, AX, 540, R2, 1400 kV. Micro servo for 2-speed switching. Steering servo is Holmes Hobbies, SHV 650. The body is mounted. Let's take a look at the bottom of the body. Stainless steel skid plate and stainless steel differential protector are installed to reinforce and increase the weight. The drive shaft is also stainless steel. Wheels are metal. In addition to the weight of the metal wheels, the nuts change to long steel. Brass weights are attached to the wheels. I wasn't sure if I should only use black for the cockpit, but then I reconsidered and painted it in olive drab, sand beige, and mud black. Here is a look at the completed RBX10 RYFT and LEDs. The front and rear axles are up about 24 centimeters. The LED is my trick RC. Thank you for watching to the end.